Hi everybody, our song for today is Three Little Birds, and today we're going to give you the tutorial. This one kind of has a funky strum pattern. The chords are super easy. We have our C, so let's practice finding that chord. That's just with our third finger, our ring finger on that bottom string, third fret. And actually we're going to strum up with our pointer finger. Can you strum up? Nice. Now let's move to our F. Chewy, where you go? F chord, so we're gonna walk our middle finger all the way up to the top string, and then our pointer finger is gonna go on the second string in the first fret. Let's hear that with an up strum. All right, nice. And then we're gonna go to our G. I call this the triangle. It would be the D chord on the guitar. Let's make that shape and let's give that an up strum. And that's it. So when you are playing this song, it's gonna be pat, up strum, pat, up strum, pat, up strum, pat, up strum. Lucy, can you try that with me? Let's do it on a C though. Go to C, and let's do tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up. So I want you practicing finding the chords, and just practice this for now, because this is the trickiest part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're strumming up on the and, which is different from what we've done, but it's very much a reggae feel. So just practice that on the C chord, okay? And then tomorrow we'll be doing a video for you to perform along with. All right, everybody. We'll see you later.